What's going on, everybody? This is Peter Zhang coming at you with Benzinga and Market I wanted to give you your options weekly outlook. Last week we got some pretty good action last week. We had pretty good bull rallies going on all the entire time. We felt like we were buying the dips on the SPY and on the ESs along with a lot of our stocks. Priceline picked up a really nice bid last week, making a strong move. And what happened actually is that we just continued in consolidation. A lot of people thought that we were going to have a continued move higher, which it did look like. SPY was able to hold the 165 area without a problem. Overall, it looked like a really nice buying area. Everybody's all upset about the VIX being at all-time lows, which it did hit again. And then all of a sudden, we had our Friday move. So our Friday move pretty much tanked us from 166 all the way down to 163. And currently the Nikkei is also down a couple hundred points, I believe. Yeah, 300 points now, so 2.5%. That's a pretty good bit. One thing to notice is, guys, that everybody had that last thought of the sell in May and go away. Just happened to be selling on the last day of May and go away really quickly. So for options, one thing that you have to be prepared for is the summer action coming through. So most likely after this, if that was really the unloading portion of everybody's portfolios, we're probably going to chop around a whole lot into the summer. Volatility is just going to be very junky, and the idea of follow through to either side is going to be very tough. So something you need to prepare for is sort of ping-ponging VIX. All right, so your volatility is going to be back and forth. You're never really going to get any follow through with that. In addition to the stock trades. So trades in your stock are not going to have very much follow through for the summer, probably not until we get a little bit of earnings in July. So one thing to be prepared for is the fact that chasing after or just even going after any net long or net short positions is going to be very tough. So in general, you have to probably, I would say, minimize the number of trades that you make and really try to find that one horse that's moving without the markets. That's really important, guys, because again, you're not going to have the volatility buffer anymore. Volatility being so back and forth and non-trendy, you're going to have very difficult times actually catching any follow through with your stock and any type of really good premium on your options. So again, guys, only chase after the really good trades out there. If you see a move that you don't catch, do not chase that. Okay, do not try to go after it, because again, you're not going to have additional premium on your side. On the other side, if you have a relatively larger account, what you should do is actually you should stick to writing strategies, especially when everything slows down in the summer, as we just mentioned. Writing strategies really do pretty well in this environment. Whether you're writing calls or puts, just get on the right side of the trend, write for a couple of days worth of decay, and you'll be good to go. But overall, guys, that sell-off on Friday, we're going to have to see if we can continue follow through to the downside. I'm not expecting too much. Possibly another gap down and then a bunch of chop for the next probably 2 to 3 weeks. Again, guys, it's Peter Zhang coming at you via Benzinga and Market with your weekly options outlook. Stay tuned. Shoot us emails if you have any questions. Over and out.